Hey, it's me, Gareth, and we're on the Crown Princess, and we're all the way up on deck 14, Riviera deck 14, and this is cabin 412, and it's a suite.
It's the Aruba suite.
Janet says it's the Aruba suite. So you got two outlets there, couch. Looks like it folds out into a bed. Of course, you got a big balcony across there. Let's go out there first. This is not our cabin. It's turnaround day, so people who had this cabin vacated it. It's not very deep, but it's wide, and it has these fancy chairs. Fancy reclining chairs. And then non-reclining chairs, but a big round table. Television here. Minibar setup. Television here. Now they've got two twins. You can also have that configured as a queen, right? Vanity. Drawers, little cabinet in there. Fancy chair. Drawer there. Different blow dryer than in the inside cabins.
Makeup mirror.
Slippers, lint brush, shoe sponge. Not a very big closet, but umbrellas.
You got all this.
Bathtub, toilet, shower, door in here, toilet, another sink. Janet says you got all this. Oh. A safe, drawers, shelves. Princess TVs have a lot of stuff. They've got videos about
Let me take you to some of the most beautiful destinations.
the ports. They've got dining reservations, the wake show, that's the cruise director's show each morning. Highlights, prizes, things you can buy, obviously. Videos from television, how to connect, weather, location. Well, you can see. I'm not going to go through them all. I just want to show you movies and TV. So there's all these movies, and then you can go down, and of course these go, over. It even has Alaska movies because this is an Alaska cruise. Action, comedy, back to the 80s, and so on. If we go back over, live TV, that's it. You're seeing it all. That's the bridge cam down there. So, but live TV is lacking on pretty much every cruise ship, right? TV series. So you've got, of course, Love Boat, Modern Family, New Girl, Simpsons, and it's only 15, 20 episodes of each. It's not all of them. Even Love Boat is not all of them, I don't think. Season 7. See, there's only season 7 surely was more than 5 episodes, right? So,
Very nice.
fairly nice, and a curtain that pulls across to separate these two rooms.
The refrigerator must be here.
Refrigerator stays pretty cold, but not real cold, although there's a temperature setting down there. Yep, minibar setup.
Hi.
And him. So that was the Aruba suite, cabin Riviera 412. I'm Gareth from Port Monkeys, and I'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Johns Hopkins Glacier. Some jagged snow-capped peaks. Yeah, this glacier is not receding. Bigger. You can almost see it. Maybe not. Those peaks. Eventually. I guess they're giving themselves fist bumps. Another one? And I was joined by a big group of people. And another one. We're done. Oh, maybe one more. No. Bye! Thank you! And they ride off into the sunset. Of course, the ranger station is right over there. The visitor center. There's a visitor center. Oh, they're in the sun. Gonna soak up the sun. Gonna tell everyone